CNC makers. Welcome to part 3 of how to build the M2. The first step is to take our roller bearing carriages and hang them on our ring carriage. Then we're going to take our bearing carriage hardware bag F, our roller bearings, and the tools we're going to need are a wrench, either a regular wrench or a combo wrench, a 13mm one, and a hex wrench or Allen key that is 5mm, and that is in the assembly tools bag I. Now, to put together our roller bearing carriage, we are going to take our shoulder bolt and we're going to feed it into the largest hole. So you can see their sides are small holes and large holes. So the side with the large holes, I'm going to feed that through there and then set a washer and then our ring bearing, then another washer also inside of our roller bearing carriage, and then a nut on the outside. And it can be a little bit tricky to get our washer in there. You can even align it if you want to use an Allen key like I did to kind of like arrange it, and you can kind of twist the shoulder bolt too to kind of get it lined up to help feed it in there and get it aligned. Now once it's in there, you want to make sure that it's all the way, the shoulder bolt is all the way flush with our roller bearing carriage. So you can see that it's flush on the inside, on that side with the larger hole. And then we will take our 5mm hex key and our wrench, and we'll hold the nut on one side with our wrench and then twist the hex key on the other until it is completely tight and flush. And you'll be able to kind of spin the bearing and see that it's flush when it's completely tight. And then now we'll repeat this all the way around. So we have all 4 of our roller bearing carriages mounted to our ring. That's it with part 3, and you're ready to go on to the next step.